Oh yes, it's that time of the year again. Snow, hot punch, tender cookies, and Christmas gift tags. Tags seem to be a great opportunity for using my scraps. First, I cut little 2-inch by 3.5-inch cards from a brown Kraft paper. I've recently bought a couple of 3-in-1 tag punches, so I decided to put one of them in use and punch a decorative top including a hole on each tag. If you don't have such punch, it's no big deal. You can always use scissors to cut the corners of your tag to make it more tag-like, or you can use the round corner punch if you have one and simply round the corners. And then just mark the center of each tag and make the hole separately. Then I grabbed my white Pilot permanent ink marker, shook it well, and drew my gnome designs on each tag. I made several tags of each design. I wanted them each a little different but still matching. I've played around with different shapes of hats, mustache, and I tried on different coats and arms. If you want it even a cuter look, then I suggest you change the proportions and make the head even bigger, starting the nose somewhere in the middle of the tag. I simplified the drawings so the outlines would be clear and easy to fill with the embossing powders. I thought about the designs and colors. Then I picked the red glittery embossing powder and gold one from Papermania, Mint Chip from Ranger, and white one from Zing. Then I took my Embossing Dual Pen II by Efco, which has a brush end that makes it so easy to apply embossing powder exactly where you need it, and painted areas where I wanted the powder to stick. And I always clean the unwanted glitter with my brush. I found out it's much better to use the heat gun from the back side of the paper. First of all, the powder doesn't blow all over the place, and I think it even helps prevent scorching. I also like to use my embossing powders over a piece of paper. In case I spill any, I can pour it back in my container. First, I applied one color, and after melting the powder with my heat gun, I applied the complementary white color. When melting the second color, be careful not to overheat and scorch the first color. Then I repeated the same process with other tags and colors. It was my first time using the mint chip powder, and it was fascinating to watch how the gold and white chips came out of the mint. There were some blank spots that were bothering me, so I decided to use some star stamps and white pigment ink with embossing powder and filled them in. I've had some white hole reinforcer stickers in my stash, so I decided to use them to decorate the holes on my brown tags. For the back side, I've cut 1 3/4 inch by 2 3/8 inch cards from cream cardstock and rounded the 2 corners at the shorter end with a corner punch. Then I smudged the edges with Tim Holtz Tea Dye Distress ink. And I suggest writing the names before gluing the name tags onto the Gnome tags, avoiding the stress from making a mistake. Here I'm gluing some plain ones on because it's a gift. And here they are, my Christmas gnome tags.